This is the first gesture the Buddha showed after enlightenment, and he didn't do it by accident. This is the Dharma Chakra Mudra, the gesture of understanding. It represents the moment when everything starts to make sense. And here's the problem. Most people don't move forward not because they can't, but because they don't understand. What to do? Where to go? Why nothing is changing? They get stuck in overthinking, in doubt, in constant mental noise. And that's what keeps them in place. This mudra does one powerful thing. It quiets the noise and brings clarity. When clarity appears, movement begins. And something else happens. When your mind becomes clear, you start seeing opportunities instead of problems. Decisions become easier, and you naturally move toward more positive outcomes. That's the shift. Not motivation, not forcing yourself, understanding. Now do it with me. Raise your right hand to chest level palm, slightly upward and outward. Connect your thumb and index finger, left hand the same, but lower palm facing your chest. Let the middle finger of your left hand touch the circle of your right hand. Close your eyes, breathe, slowly focus on the point of contact. In a couple of minutes, your mind starts to quiet down, and in that silence, clarity appears. Do this for 5 to 15 minutes a day, especially when you feel stuck, and notice how thinking changes and things start moving again. Save this and practice today.